Hello and good day to you all. Today we're going to make a very easy Indonesian chili paste or sauce if you like. Only needs a few ingredients and 20 minutes of your time. In Indonesia they use a cobek to do this. It's a typical mortar and pestle that's really adapted for fresh ingredients as well. But my cobek is quite small, so I'm going to use a food processor. We got some cilantro. Here we got Lombok chillies. We got 4 centimeters of ginger root, a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to press 4 limes. The chilies, we're just going to break off the stems. I'm going to use the seeds, but if you want less heat, take the seeds out. The cilantro, just cut the big parts of the stems off. Peel the ginger. Cut the ginger in slices. Give the lime a good roll, and this is going to help you to get all the juices out. And we're just going to put all the ingredients in our food processor. The Lombok chilies, the ginger, cilantro, don't forget the salt. If you want more consistency in your sauce, use a little bit less of lime juice, and you can always add some more at the end if you want a little bit more a liquid sauce. And here we have our Sambal Djeruk. Goes very nice with fish and other seafoods. It's hot, a little bit tangy, and a beautiful background flavor of cilantro and ginger. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you want to support my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell. And all that's left to say, my dear friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.